Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be a shoe unboxing. Yay! Like I needed another pair of shoes, right? These shoes that I want to show you guys are so awesome. I already did sneak a peek because I've had these shoes for weeks. I haven't filmed a video in probably 2 or 3 weeks. I've had so many videos that I've been behind on, so I don't even know when this video is going to get uploaded, but I've just had a lot going on. So now I am back at it, and I'm here to show y'all some Sugar Thrillz shoes, and they are gorgeous. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and open these up. I'm going to open them, look at them, try them on, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So of course they have the gorgeous holographic paper. You like that too, Jack? And the shoe covers, which is always super nice. You guys, look at these. How could I pass these up? These are amazing. These are called the Cascade Dreams Sequin Platform Sneakers. And I got these in a size 9, which I usually get a 9. They do not have half sizes. I believe I got these when they were on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for them because it's been so long. I think these are like usually $100 and something. I can't remember. Look how gorgeous. Let me open the other one up. All right, so it looks the exact same, which is good. But yes, very holographic, very pink, and there is a cute little fuzzy heart here on the front, and the lining, or just this part right here, is pink fuzzy material as well. So it matches with the little heart, which I just think is so adorable. And these remind me of Valentine's Day because of the heart and the pink. So I think these will be really good Valentine's Day shoes. What do y'all think? The sequins are in really good shape. None of them are like bent or anything. It's not the flip sequin. Like I do have a pair of shoes that are the flip sequins, and this is not flip sequin, but they do change colors in the light, which is really cool. They are super shiny. The soles look pretty good. I think these are about maybe 5 inches, the platform, so that's not bad. It's got pink shoelaces. So yeah, I can't wait to try these on. So let's go ahead and try them on, and I'll let y'all know how they feel. Okay, you guys, I absolutely love these shoes. They are so comfortable. I'm really impressed with the quality. I definitely think it's worth what I paid. I want to say I paid, I can't remember, you guys. It was under $100. I do know that. I did not pay $100 or more for these. And I do think that they are worth it. I was really impressed with the laces on these. They're actually really good quality. A lot of shoes that I get, the laces wear out really quickly and they'll get stuck in the sequins and all that. So I'm really happy about that. The little heart right here, I mean, you can actually take this off. There is a little loop right here that you can just pull it through the laces and remove it if you would like to. So if you did, it would look like this. And honestly, it looks cute without it too, but I didn't have a problem with it being on there. It didn't really get in the way, so that was really good too. Overall, they're just really comfortable. The sole seems really padded, so that's nice. And I mean, the bottoms are treaded really well, so I don't think I'll slip in them. I didn't wear them for very long, but I don't think they're going to be that hard to break in. So overall, I would say these are a great pair to buy if you're thinking about it. I would say get them. And I would say to just get your regular size. I wouldn't recommend sizing up or sizing down. If you are half size, I would go up. So since they don't have the half sizes, maybe if you're like an 8.5, just get a 9. They fit pretty true to size. Yeah, I mean, I'm just overall, I mean, I think I would probably give these a 10. I mean, I think they're gorgeous and I love them. And like I said, they're great for Valentine's Day, so. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed this shoe review. Let me know what you think about them. If you have any questions about the shoes, please let me know and I will try to answer it the best that I can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and Jack and I will see you guys next time. Jack! You want to say bye? Come here! Come here, bud. You want to say bye? Come here. Jack came to say bye to y'all. Didn't you, bud? You say bye to everybody. You're such a good helper. Yeah. Aw, buddy. Good boy.